Well, what happened?
Chasing bears, driving way too fast.
That'll do it.
All right, good morning. So this didn't take long. We got the tow truck home, got a call basically bringing it home yesterday that we got to go on today. But it's gonna be in the mud. Those doors, they're no bueno for mud, so I'm gonna hurry and throw the full doors on it, see if we can go get a Toyota. Not necessarily stuck, but it's broken. Front tire's ripped off of it. We'll tow her all the way back here. And it's one of my buddy's trucks. He was out hunting. I believe it's gonna be a lion hunting truck. I have the Onx pin for it, so we'll plug that into the old map here in a minute and it should take us there. Doors are swapped out. He's pumping tires up because we're gonna tow that thing a long ways. Landon's going with me, it looks like. So we'll run up and get this truck and get it home. Alrighty, we got a slight change of plans. We just got another call out to Peekaboo, which is in the different direction that I'm currently going. So I'll send Landon and Jace out to do the Peekaboo recovery. Chris will go with me. He owns the truck I'm going to get, and we'll go get it, divide and conquer, and get this day over with and get everyone back home safe and sound. So away we go. All right, guys, plugged in the coordinates that I got. 1 hour, 39 minutes is my fastest route. We're going 100% off of Onx maps. Hopefully there's a truck at the end of this treasure trail. We can haul it home. Don't forget that you can save yourself some money by using fabrats-20. Here we go. The plot thickens. I'm taking old Graders with me. What do you think, Graders? First recovery?
Yeah.
With me, just like solo, me and you.
Uh-huh.
All right, Grader's gonna be your cameraman today, boys and girls.
It's gonna be bad.
Nah, it'll be good. Here we go. Hopefully everything's good in the truck. We're breaking it in right here, right now. Our windows aren't rolling up and down for some reason. I'll have to deal with that. Chris caught up to us, the owner of the truck. He's gonna follow us out there. It rained pretty good last night, so I hope mud doesn't come into play. It's not looking too bad. It's not dusty, so we'll take that, right?
The lightning shows my weakness. The thunder knows my secrets. The storm is like a brother. It knows me like no other. So let it rumble, let it roll, 'cause it's all I know.
Up to where the fire was a few years ago, we came out and did put some pictures on the interwebs of the wildfire that was happening, why our area was all smoky. We're burning through that area currently right now. Burning some stuff up.
That's bad.
Yep, burned her up. Gives a chance for all that grass to grow back in.
Yeah.
It'll look way better.
I see the waters rising with waves as strong as iron. My soul was born for running. The darkness is my compass, and I will follow where it goes, 'cause it's all I know.
Turning off the main dirt road. Gonna head up through some scenic country here. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. This has a tendency of getting really muddy out here. So just ease up through and find this truck. It says we are 11 miles from it. Looks like we're headed to Bryce Canyon, huh, Greg?
Yeah.
Oh, neck bottle, get out of my hand.
We got called on recovery, which I thought we were going, or I was going with my dad out on the bench to recover one of his buddies.
So I was sleeping, sound normal. I was chilling. I get abruptly woken up by my dad saying I have to go with him on a recovery. I mosey out of bed, and turns out they already left me, and Landon has to go get another guy.
So the recovery's out of Peekaboo.
We got no clue what kind of car we're going after, but
Yeah.
we're going out there, and hopefully we can get him out. Who knows?
I
Let's
hope
get
it's
it.
gonna be easy.
Found dirt. Squirrel.
Well, we found real dirt. You want to put the hooks in? Yeah, put the hooks in. Alright, they should just be down this way.
Alright, we are on the Forest Service Road now, unimproved road. Most people don't get this view, what we do today. This is our office today. Oh, dang. There you go, it's a little rougher than it once was.
Nothing the tow truck can't do.
What?
Mud is not a problem.
Oh, we can do mud, I just hate cleaning mud off once we do it.
That's why I thought.
She'll need just a slight wash job today, not bad I hope. We're climbing up out of here. We'll be topped out shortly. Jingle bells are listening. 2 minutes from our destination. We have found it. Look at this.
It shows you
It
exactly.
shows right where it is. Let's ease on by this. We'll show them. Look how close that pin is. Look at that. Bam! Right on top of it. So, and I'll back up to it.
Well, what happened?
Chasing bears, driving way too fast.
That'll do it.
When we break stuff, graders, we break stuff good.
Oh yeah. So now we just haul her back.
Just haul her back. Toyota problems. I'm all bad. How many times has this happened to you? I lost now. Yeah, it's a Toyota problem. Yeah, luckily one of my buddies was with us up here, because we were trying to bust around to cut off and get more dogs in. So I had dogs out in the canyon still.
Oh, that's
never good. And I just sent him around. I'm like, go gather dogs. So we're done. The dogs off. We are all finished today. It's on here? It should. I don't think this will slide out if people can. Yeah, we ain't gonna break any net speed record that way. It ain't gonna go nowhere, so. Okay, we'll go find somewhere to turn around. Away we'll go. We like the easy ones. That wasn't too bad, was it? No. Yeah, I knew that the hard part was gonna be just getting here.
Well, let's head back.
We're gonna turn around and ease out of here. So you see us pull lots of different ways. Sometimes we got the ropes on it and swinging, and which is good when you're in the rough country, but when you're on a decent road, this boom sling setup is the way to go. I can control this thing. It has brakes. Well, with this it has brakes. I can stop it. It doesn't clang and bang. Doesn't have to worry about hurting anything. I just ease on out of here. Jace's is going as good as ours did.
Yeah.
I think theirs won't be bad, just a rental car stuck in the sand. Someone drove it somewhere they shouldn't have driven it.
Okay, that one wasn't too bad. The key fob made it so the rear wheels will not unbrake. Jace is gonna drive her out for him, and we'll be good to go home and sit around the house because it's a Sunday. Well, that didn't last long at all. They're stuck again. Okay, I'll just pull you all the way out. Just pull me to the top of the hill and then we'll be good.
Remember Chris, he's been on my channel a few different times. I used to work with him when I was working at South Central doing telephone work. We're still buddies. I still get to go rescue him when he breaks down. Get to see him once in a while. Not nearly as much as we used to, but we've been friends since high school, out beating old cars around and having a good time. So even if I get to only see him on stuff like this, it's still good to see him. So.
I think so.
All right, let's go home before we get wet.
Okay.
Look at that snow falling on us out there. We may get out of here just in the nick of time. We have made her back to town. We're just dropping off the hill into town. It's up to Chris's house and unhook this thing and go about our day. I hope the boys are home and theirs was just as easy as ours was today. Pull these down. Got Chris' Toyota home safe and sound. Now we'll go home and eat us a little grub.
Yeah.
And take a nap maybe.
Yep. I'm going to bed.